So you might be wondering, how did we get from this to there?
Perfect accompaniment. Eggs.
So watch and we'll show you how we got this in there.
Yes, I like that.
Well, we're gonna make strawberry jam, not me.
I'm gonna make the strawberry jam. Now we need to pick out the strawberries.
Yes, one of the first things you need when making strawberry jam is...
Strawberries!
I thought it was jam.
No, I'm making the jam.
Oh, so we're gonna go in here and pick up some strawberries that were freshly picked this morning.
Yes.
This is the farmer's market. Strawberries. Is this called cutting the strawberry?
This is called cutting the strawberries. I'm quartering them, so then I'll put them in the food processor. These were fresh today. And they all look pretty darn good. It's 4 cups of strawberries. Going to pulse it just a couple times. We're not going to pulverize it. One more. What we're trying to do is get 2 cups, exactly 2 cups. So we will see if this is 2 cups. Let's bring it over here. You have to do it exact or it won't set. So that's exactly 2 cups. Got a little bit left over because I might make another batch.
Mushed strawberries.
Okay, now for the sugar. Okay, this is going to be sweet, so we're putting in 4 cups of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. A cup at a time. Stir it. Cup. This is cup number 2. These strawberries are pretty sweet anyway.
And so are you.
Aww, you're just saying that because I'm making a jam. This is the fruit pectin that we're going to mix in with the water. Bring it to a boil. Boil it for 1 minute. And then pour it in the strawberry mixture. Okay, now we're going to ladle them into the jar. Oh. Leaving like a 1/2 inch space for when it freezes. These make good Christmas presents too. So we just wipe off the rims and then we put the lids on. Let it set for 24 hours at room temp. And then we will put them in the freezer. To the freezer we go with the freezer jam. Here we go. Wind our way through into the laundry room. Open the door.
What could that be?
Yikes! And into the garage or the car park. Open the freezer door. I have made a space at the bottom